So which of the following should be charged as an expense in the profit and loss account of a manufacturing firm? So now when it comes to a manufacturing firm, the expenses that we put in the profit and loss account are the kind of expenses we call indirect expenses. In other words, expenses that cannot be traced back to the product. These can include things like, salaries, any kind of costs that cannot be directly traced to the production of a product. Those are indirect expenses, and those are the ones that we put in the profit and loss account of a manufacturing firm. So in this question, they're telling us to know which of the following should be charged as an expense. Of course, here when you look at electricity costs, these are electricity costs, but they are for the office. So these electricity costs help, in running the office. Such costs cannot be directly attached to the production of the product, and so this makes it an indirect cost. And because it's an indirect cost, that is our answer already. So our answer here is A. I mean, if you go and look at direct raw materials, these are, like even the word says, are direct. Those are costs that can be attributed direct to the raw materials. Then we have work in progress. Work in progress, these are costs of work in progress that can be directly attached to the product that is being manufactured. Then the cost of transporting raw materials purchased, these costs can be traced back to the product itself that is being, manufactured. So these other three are called indirect costs, and they contribute to the cost of the product, and they are not put in the profit and loss in the expense account of a manufacturing firm. So the answer is A.